All right, boys, I'm going to show you how I made 10K in one day trading the Forex market and Bitcoin. Now, that's just a number there for you guys to make you click on the video, basically. What really matters is the amount of R per day or R per week. If you don't know what R is, it's risk reward ratio. Basically, if you lose a trade, that's -1 R. If you win a trade, it's whatever multiple of whatever you risked, right? So if I'm making a trade, I'm shooting for anywhere between 1.5 to 4 R usually for any individual trade. So let's dive into the trades and I'll show you some actual proofs, because I know for some reason a lot of you guys just think I'm lying all the time, but I'm only going to show you trades that I actually made calls for, and I'll show you the freaking account statement here. Well, first of all, we're starting off. I'm just going to show you the euro here. These were the actual trades from the account, the history here. You can see that these ones, sells, these were also winners, but this was last week. So it's only 2 trades here on the euro, and I split it into two take profits each. They were basically the same take profit. So we're just going to put that out on the charts here. So you can see on the euro coming up here. So we took one in the Asia session here. I've already plotted it out. We had a 1.5 R. We took a long here. Reason for taking a long here was because we had a really long bias coming from the previous day, right? Previous day, long bias, right? Shooting up a lot, getting these wicks on the bottom here. Same with the 4-hour, trending to the upside. No reason to be bearish under this. And we actually we hit the target perfectly dead on. This was just pure luck. Actually, all I did is shoot for a little bit further than the highs here, and I just entered on market after that breakout there with a stop below. So simple here. Not the best trade in terms of R, but it was a winner, and I knew that I'd have a really good chance of winning that, so I went with the 1.5 R. On the New York Open here, we did something similar. We got some sweeps of these lows, right, coming into the open, and then we oh god, there's a freaking cat. And then we wanted to do that same long bias here. We targeted these highs here, simple as that. And you guys can go back and you can look at these, you can actually look at the charts here. This is the actual take profits and everything like that. So this one, 2.35 R. So we're sitting at just under 4 R on the Forex side of things. On crypto here, I'm just going to show you guys as well the actual calls here, so we can see the call in the Hunter trades here. We had the long actually being called here, and we went and we locked in the actual exact top. You can see this is where we took profit, and it closed back down, and that was perfectly fine here. And it scrolled down, we had a Bitcoin trade here. The short, this one was also posted to the live stream, so we actually live streamed this one. And if you wanted to check out the stream, it was actually on the 6th of April that live stream went off. So now we're just looking at Bitcoin once again here. And we took a long. I also talked about the long on the live stream here, and I posted this as a signal in the signal group here. Just pull up the crypto trades here. There we go. And we see that we both took that short, and we took this long. So if we look at the actual, we got 2.4 R on the short, and this one is going to be it was shooting for about 4 R right here is actually what we got. The level right there is what we're shooting for. And the reason we took this this short was because we had this range. We swept the range, and we were in a downtrend, right? On the higher time frames, we considered the bias downtrend here. I talked about this on stream. I would take a long if, again, it's April 6th stream. At the very end of the stream, I said that I'm going to take a long if we tap this level and sweep that, and that's exactly what we did. So I took a long here, and we're targeting the tops here. So if we add some more here, then so far what we've locked in for sure is plus 2.4. We're sitting at over 6 R in one day here, and if we had closed this out just now, we'd be sitting at 2.3 extra plus 2.3, but we're shooting for a little bit more here. I think there's a really good chance we're gonna hit that 4 R, so we're gonna hit over 10 R here today, boys. So I'm super excited about that. If we do hit this, it looks very promising. It will be my first 10 R day. that I've ever actually hit in 24 hours, a whole 10R. So I'm super happy about that one. Right, boys, quick update. Now that I woke up here the next day, we can see that the target actually got smashed. I let a runner go. Let's look at it here. We said closing last 10%, so I'm leaving 10% for the 7R there, and 7R was right here. So we actually closed it dead on the top. Sorry guys, the Bitcoin dump was actually my profit taking. Just so you guys know. We also took a EU long this morning, nailed it out here. This was posted in the Signal group there for, you know, 2R, but that was not part of the 1 day. So we're on a really good winning streak right now. Focus is going well, trade methods going well. I'm just going to be looking for another long here hopefully on today, this is one of the best weeks in a while, so very happy about that. Moving on. Yeah, moving on to the next day. This strategy I'm trading right now is absolutely unreal, and I'm very excited. I was thinking 10R weeks was good with this strategy, but we literally just hit 10R in 1 day. Assuming that this pans out. So the reason I was able to say 10K in a day here is because if I'm trading with a 50K account, which, you know, roughly around there, right now it's a bit smaller account because I had some stress in the past here, so I'm just lowered my account size until I'm back on track with things. But a 50K account risking 2% per trade, 10R is going to be 20% profit on that, and that's 10K in 1 day. So that's assuming we do hit that extra 2R in this final trade. I know it's a little bit early there, guys. I'm getting a little bit premature, but I do need to actually get into a nap so that I can wake up for the London Open here, because I'm going full hermit mode now, guys. I'm trading all of the sessions. I'm looking to get 10-20R weeks because I know this strategy can do it. If you guys are interested in joining a Signal group, link in the description, and you guys can actually see these trades live. They're really good. I'm really hyped about this. It's completely changing the way that I've been trading most recently, and my mind's back on track. So we're getting some damn good profits. See you guys next time. That's Hunter FX, most woke trader in the world.